What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a cinematic teal and orange image within Photoshop to look a little something like that. God damn, diggity. First and foremost, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let's get started, shall we? First things first, what you're going to need to do is open Photoshop, navigate to filter, camera raw filter, then from here click onto the graduated filter, which is this icon here. Sensational. Adjust the graduated filter across the top of the image. Everything above the green line is going to be affected by the filter, and everything between the green line and the red line essentially is the feathering distance. Now navigate to the temperature and the tint and adjust that towards yellow and increase the saturation and make it sensational. Next, grab another graduated filter and position this one from bottom to top. As you can see, you'll be able to figure out what we're going to do next. Navigate to the temperature and slide it towards blue or teal. Again, you can adjust the saturation if you so wish, and voila, we're done. If you like this video, share, subscribe, comment, like. Guys, hit the notification bell and follow me on Instagram because my Instagram is absolute fire. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Peace.